Good afternoon, students. In continuation of reaction mechanism, today we are starting the last portion of this unit, which is the specific rearrangements involve the carbocations and free radicals. In previous lectures, we have completed about the substitution, elimination, and addition reactions. Today we are focusing on some specific rearrangements which are including the carbocation. Some of the rearrangements we are also discussed in the examples of elimination and addition, which including the carbocation. These are some specific examples. The first important example is Wagner-Merwin rearrangement. It is a carbon-to-carbon migration of alkyl hydrogen or phenyl group. These rearrangements involve the intermediate formation of carbocation in which a 1,2 shift occurs. When such a shift leads to the formation of carbocation of greater stability, and this is the driving force of the rearrangement. For example, the solvolysis of neopentyl bromide in ethanol. It is an example of neopentyl bromide. If the routine reaction takes place, this Br is substituted by the ethanol, means act as a solvent, formation of carbocation, and the finally product expected to be this. But this product is not obtained. In place of this product, these two products are obtained. It is only possible due to this rearrangement. When this 1 degree carbocation is formed, this is a 1,2 shift of methyl. This methyl shifted towards that carbon and converted into 3 degree carbocation. And you know that the stability of 3 degree carbocation is very large than the 1 degree carbocation. After that, this carbocation undergo substitution as well as elimination. You know that alkyl halides are undergo both in substitution reactions and elimination reactions. So these products are obtained. These both are obtained due to a result of rearrangement. This is the normal product which is not obtained in this reaction. During the Wagner-Merwin shift, an alkyl group or an hydrogen or aryl group can migrate. However, aryl group have a far greater aptitude than alkyl group. Thus, the following chloride, this is the example of another example, following chloride undergoes solvolysis with rearrangement several thousand times faster compared to neopentyl chloride, because here the migratory group is phenyl group, which is a greater aptitude of the migration than the alkyl or hydrogen. This is the example of 1 degree haloalkane. After the removal of the Cl, there is a formation of carbocation. This phenyl group acts as a neighboring group. This phenyl group is act as a bridge, and after that this phenyl group shifted towards that carbon and the formation of 3 degree carbocation takes place. After the formation of 3 degree carbocation, elimination is occurred and this product is formed where the phenyl group shifted from that carbon to that carbon. This is the one of the most important example of Wagner-Merwin rearrangement. The next example of including carbocation is pinacol rearrangement. Pinacols are 1,2-diols. On treatment with acids, undergo a rearrangement to ketones which are called pinacolone. The rearrangement is like similar to Wagner-Merwin shift, but for the fact that here the rearranged intermediate carbocation, the conjugate acid of the ketone is more stabilized than the rearranged carbocation formed in Wagner-Merwin shift. Thus, in pinacol rearrangement, a shift still occurs even though the migration terminus may be a tertiary carbocation. The order of migratory aptitude of different groups are again phenyl group, then hydrogen, then alkyl. This is the common example of pinacolone rearrangement. This is the pinacol, which is a 1,2-diols. 1,2-diols are generally called the pinacol. In the presence of acidic media, the protonation of one of the hydroxyl group takes place, like here. After the protonation of this hydroxyl group, it is becomes the better leaving group. So this is removed in the form of water and formation of carbocations takes place. After the formation of carbocation, this is basically 3 degree carbocation. When this phenyl or maybe methyl, maybe phenyl is shifted here or maybe methyl, but the migratory tendency of phenyl is more than the methyl. So the formation of this carbocation takes place. This carbocation is comparatively more stable than this carbocation because here this positive charge in conjugation with the oxygen lone pair. Then after that, shifting of this lone pair and the formation of this protonated oxygen and removal of proton and formation of pinacolone takes place. So finally, you can see here these phenyl group are at two different carbon, while here these three phenyl group are at the same carbon. It is another example of pinacol rearrangement. This is again a pinacol in the presence of acidic medium. This is a protonation of one of the OH group and the formation of carbocation. Now, after the formation of carbocation, since this carbocation is more stable, now in that case, hydrogen and methyl. So, shifting of hydrogen takes place is more because the formation of more stable benzylic carbocation. This is converted into the benzylic carbocation. After the formation of this benzylic carbocation, loss of proton and the formation of that type of ketones takes place. It is another example of quinacol rearrangement. Here ring expansion you can see, it is a 5-membered ring, protonation of this oxygen, formation of carbocation. This is the 5-membered ring. Due to this 1-2 shift, now these are the 5 carbon converted into 6-membered ring. This is a 6-membered ring. After the formation of 6-membered ring, loss of proton and the formation of 6-membered ketones takes place. Hence, these all examples are including the quinacol rearrangement via the formation of more stable carbocations. In continuation of this series, the next example is benzylic acid rearrangement. 1,2-diketones, which are also called alpha diketones, on treatment with hydroxide ion undergoes a rearrangement to give alpha hydroxy acids. That is benzyl. This is the example of benzyl diketone convert into benzylic acid. Alpha hydroxy acids of these types are called the benzylic acid. The rearrangement has its driving force in the removal of product by ionization of the carboxyl group. See here, it is a benzyl group in the presence of the basic medium. You know that in previous class we discussed these are act as a electron deficient center and they are showing the nucleophilic addition. It is act as a nucleophile. So this nucleophile attack on that carbon and formation of this type of alkoxide ion takes place. After the formation of this alkoxide ion, there is a shifting of electron cloud. This electron cloud shifted towards here, and due to this migratory aptitude, this valence group shifted towards here, and the formation of this and this one converted into this type of intermediate. After the formation of this type of intermediate, the protonation takes place and the formation of benzylic acid. This benzylic acid, since the medium is basic, the H is lost and converted into carboxylate ion and equilibrium shifted towards the forward direction. Now, one of the most important example including the rearrangement of free radicals is Wittig rearrangement. 1,2 Wittig rearrangement. Wittig rearrangement is many types, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Here we have discussed about the 1,2 Wittig rearrangement. It is a categorization of chemical reactions in organic chemistry and consisting of 1,2 rearrangement of an ether with an alkyl lithium compound. See here, this is ether. In the presence of alkyl lithium compound, the product is finally tertiary alcohol. How it is done? It is done via the free radical formation. See here, this is RCHR-OR alkoxy group. In the presence of alkyl lithium compound, the formation of this removal of hydrogen and the formation of this free radical. After the formation of free radical including lithium plus, the next alkyl group is shifted towards here due to the more stability of free radical. It is a 2-degree free radical. Now it is converted into 3-degree free radical. This R is shifted towards that carbon and converted into this type of lithium alkoxy group. Finally, due to protonation, this lithium is lost and converted into the alcohol. The alkyl group migrates in the order of thermodynamical stability: methyl, primary alkyl, secondary alkyl, and tertiary alkyl.